Thought I'd do a farewell vlog to the original ticket barriers here at Central Station. Just giving you a pan over what they look like once they're all gone. Wheelchair one. As you know, all the newer ticket barriers only accept Opel cards, not paper, as you can already see. Coupled up where the ticket slot used to be. These ticket barriers have been here since, I believe, probably the 80s or early 90s. I remember them being there during the early 90s, so they've been there for quite a long time now. So I was just going to show you what they look like before they're all replaced with the new ticket barriers, the ones that open outwards instead of into the ticket machine itself. So that's what I was going to show you there. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you very much, and cheers.